Passport Tender Keys makes the checkout process faster by giving the cashier handy preset keys for cash, card, check, or other. Each option classifies the basic business rules for that tender, driving the process to complete the transaction. Here's how to set your tender options with Passport. From the manager's workstation, tap Setup, then Store, then Tender Maintenance, and select the Add button. Give your tender a description. On the General tab, select the tender group and complete the appropriate fields on that tab. On the Functions tab, check the application functions. For example, if you want to accept a coupon when tendering a sale, then check each of that box under Application Functions. Go to the Register Groups tab and check the Register group where this tender is valid. Complete the rest of the information on additional tabs and select Save. That's all there is to it. Now your payment management is ready for smooth sailing.